Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for November 11th, 2013. And happy Veterans Day to all the veterans of the armed forces out there on your special day today. Starting off with the GFS here, and we have an Arctic front that's going to be pushing southward. And this is very easily depicted here on this map here. Here's the front itself. And of course there's some snow showers that are out in front of it here, and further down away from the front here where it's a little bit warmer, some rain showers. Now because of the timing of this coming through overnight, there might be just enough dynamics to keep this somewhat intact. Some of this precipitation intact as this front moves off to the southeast, and because it's coming over in the overnight hours here, we may have some snow to deal with across our area here. We actually sent out some text alerts for those that are signed up for the My Pocket Meteorologist program, which is primarily up in this area right here, that we expect some snow showers that may actually coat the ground. So the word text alerts that went out for this area here, text and email alerts as part of that service that went out on Sunday evening for that reason. We're going to move a little bit forward here in time with the GFS, and you can see it's pushing southeast here. This is now showing this is 1 o'clock in the morning, and a little bit further south here. Here's 7 a.m. and you see here the GFS has some light snow showers over much of our area here. Now because the temperatures here are only going to be 32, probably right on a line like this and points northwest. This is the only points where we would expect to see any kind of coatings on the cars or the grass or anything like that. It might just be a quick dusting, not a big deal. This is not a big deal at all. Many cases may not be measurable precipitation, but if it does fall, especially over the Poconos, Northeast PA areas like that, will most likely be the best area to see that happen. It'll be very minor in nature, so not a big deal. Not expecting any travel concerns or anything like that, but we will have something that will kind of set the mood for the next for at least on Tuesday morning, just to kind of give you a reminder that winter is is not very far away. We're going to go to the high-res NAM model now, and this is the Future Simulator Radar off the NAM. This is at 11 p.m. on Monday. And as we move forward in time from here, you'll see this band. Watch this band over Northeast PA move south here. Now, it's showing here as rain. This is probably incorrect, just because of the intensity of the precipitation coming down, and with the upper levels being so cold, this is probably snow as it's coming down here at midnight. And this band is going to press off to the southeast and head straight like this, straight across Philadelphia and then South Jersey. And this is the latest NAM here. It's getting a little more aggressive with it as it moves southeastward here. Here you see these bands here. Here's the snow over the Lehigh Valley at about 3 a.m. This is, of course, on Monday night. And then it moves over to Bucks County, Montgomery County, northwest New Jersey, and then it moves down across Philadelphia after that point. This is very light stuff here, not a big deal, but it could be coming down for a little bit there, and just enough to coat the ground real quick, and then that band is in and out, and then maybe some leftover flurries or something that you could have early Tuesday morning, but that should be just about it as far as the snowfall is concerned. We're going to go a little bit further in time now. This is now Wednesday. What's going to end up happening is this high pressure is going to move in behind this frontal boundary. It's going to be a very cold couple days here. Tuesday, Wednesday, we're expecting highs that are going to be very chilly, not getting out of the 30s for the northern areas, and just barely breaking 40 down here from Harrisburg to Allentown over to Newark, just barely breaking 40 in those areas, and then maybe up in the mid-40s as you get closer to Philadelphia and South Jersey. This high pressure right here is actually going to move to the east here, and it's be positioned right about here on Thursday to our south, and after that point on Friday, we think it's going to continue offshore and kind of position itself right about here. And because of that, it's going to start off chilly to start, but once this high starts moving to the east here, to our east here, of course, we have clockwise flow around high pressure like this, and because of that, the winds are going to shift to the south, and that'll allow for a warm-up as we head to next week, as we head towards the end of the week, as we get towards the weekend. Now, we're not talking about, way above normal, maybe slightly above normal temperatures as we get towards this weekend, but it will moderate nonetheless here. Here's a look at Thursday again. The high pressure is sitting right over here now, and then on Friday you see the high sitting offshore here. Now, what the GFS is doing with is going to bring a system in here this weekend, or attempt to. Here's Saturday. Saturday's okay, and then we get to Sunday. It has a system here cutting up in the Great Lakes up here. This is an area of low pressure cutting in the Great Lakes. and moving off like this. It does have some precipitation trying to break out ahead of it here on Sunday. Verdict's still out on that because the European model is actually a lot slower with the system. This is actually Sunday evening, and low pressure, of course, up here in the Great Lakes, but this system has not, you can see the forward edge of the precipitation has not made it to our coverage area yet, maybe the very western fringe of it, but this is already at 7 p.m. on Sunday night. So there are some timing differences. We will narrow down over the next couple days here. You might have a completely rain-free or precipitation-free weekend, but there's a possibility to sneak a little bit earlier on Sunday. You know, what it's looking like right now is the best chance for the precipitation to move in will probably be late Sunday. With just an increase in clouds and then maybe some rain at night with the system as it moves through. We'll get a little bit closer. When we get a little bit closer to that, we'll narrow that down. But right now, that's what it's looking like as far as timing. Of course, we have a couple days to look at this, but right now, that's the call. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for November 11th, 2013. Have a great Monday.